बीजेपी सांसद तेजस्वी सूर्या कहते हैं टनल रोड का हमारा विरोध सिर्फ लाल बाग और सेंकी टैंक को होने वाले नुकसान तक ही सीमित नहीं बल्कि पूरे शहर के लिए है और इसलिए भी क्योंकि यह प्रोजेक्ट बेंगलुरु में ट्रैफिक को और खराब करेगा और असल मुद्दे को हल नहीं करेगा, जो कि प्राइवेट गाड़ियों को कम करना और पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट को बढ़ाना है। बेंगलुरु को डीके शिव कुमार और तेजस्वी सूर्या के बीच ईगो की लड़ाई से कोई फायदा नहीं होगा। बेंगलुरु को आज एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव अर्बन मोबिलिटी प्लान की जरूरत है। हमें शहर में पेंडिंग फ्लाईओवर पूरे होने पर कोई आपत्ति नहीं, हमारी आपत्ति सिर्फ टनल रोड पर है। हम इसका विरोध क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि यह एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट है जो समस्या का समाधान नहीं करेगा, ये जनता के पैसे की बर्बादी।
Today in the press conference, while addressing the media, said, "What is Tejaswi's plan of action for Bangalore? Is there an alternative solution that he is proposing? Why is he opposing a tunnel road?" I want to go to him with a alternative plan of action. I want to present this to him. I have sought 30 minutes of his time. Bengaluru will not benefit from an ego fight between DK Shivkumar and Tejaswi Surya. What Bengaluru needs today is a comprehensive urban mobility plan that will reduce private vehicles and increase adoption of public transport. I want to explain to him why our opposition to tunnel road is and what it is based on. This government under his leadership is trying to build the peripheral ring road. We are not opposed to it. We want actually to build the suburban rail faster. We want the STRR to be completed soon. We want the peripheral ring road to be completed soon. We don't have objections to completion of the pending flyovers in the city. Our objection is only to tunnel road. Why are we opposing it? Because it is a project that won't solve the problem that they are saying that they are going to solve. It is going to be a waste of public money. And it is just not my opinion. It is the opinion of environment activists, urban experts, mobility planners. And if you conduct a referendum in the city today, 99% of the people will say they don't want a tunnel road. They want better public transport facilities. So I have sought his time to go and meet with him and explain to him our point of view. As a senior politician who I believe who wants to do good for the city, and on many occasions he has said that he wants